I'm Dr. Jessica from Family First Chiropractic in Dothan, Alabama, here with one of our pediatric patients who wanted to show everybody out there how easy and how gentle a adjustment is for kids her age. So let's tell everybody your name and how old you are.
Okay.
What's your name?
Sarah Kay.
And how old are you?
4.
Okay, and how long have you been getting adjusted?
Since I was a baby.
That's right. So Sarah Kate, she's 4 now. She's been getting adjusted for over 3.5 years. So who else do you know gets adjusted?
My family.
That's right. Her whole family comes in because we have family plans so that the whole family can get adjusted and stay healthy together. Now, how do you get adjusted? What do we use?
The clicker.
That's right. So it looks like this, right?
Yeah.
So how does it feel whenever you get adjusted? Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Does it tickle sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it ever hurt?
No.
No, it doesn't hurt. So this is the activator. This is what we use for adjustments for toddlers and kids her age. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how we give the adjustment. So you're going to go ahead and lay on your tummy, Sarah.
Okay.
And go on your tummy all the way up here so she knows to lay on the table. Okay, and let's bring our arms all the way down so you're nice and relaxed. So we start with the hips. So I'm always going to check the legs. And her right hip needs to be adjusted. She's probably been playing outside and running around having fun. So we're going to do 2 quick clicks on her hip right here. Easy as that. Good. And she's doing a good job. And then we come all the way up here. So what I'm doing when I'm doing the clicks is I'm adjusting the areas that have shifted out of place. So parents will bring their kids into me for sleep issues, constipation issues, scoliosis, ear infections, so many different things. Right in here we have one more right here. Good job. You can see there, it's very gentle. She just lays there very calmly. Okay, let's lay on your back. Can you flip over? Good job. So we got her whole back and pelvis adjusted, and now we're going to adjust her neck right in here with the clicker, right? Okay, so right in here, just a little click over here. Good job. Good. And one more click over here. Good job. We're going to stretch her out, make her a little bit taller, right? Good. And now we're going to bring our arms all the way up. Good. And we're going to sit all the way up. So that's how simple and how gentle an adjustment is for kids her age. So from about 2 years old, even up to 7 or 8, this is how we do the adjustment. So there's no popping, there's no twisting. You can see there that she was very relaxed and enjoyed her adjustment. So she comes in every week to see us so that she stays healthy. And she's never had an ear infection or anything like that. So she's been very healthy, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to tell everybody goodbye? So thank you everyone for watching. For more information about pediatric adjustments, you can visit our website, www.yourfamilyfirstchiropractic.com. Say bye-bye.
Bye.